Hey everybody, I'm sitting out here at the open house at 14692 Cherry Blossom, so come out and see me. This beautiful golf cart is coming with this awesome house. It's turnkey furnished, ready to go with a golf cart. This is the Maria. It's the largest executive home. You've got these soaring ceilings. Turnkey furnished with all these practically brand new furnishings. It's move-in ready. So what's really great about the Maria is that you've got 3 distinct suites. So this one, you can close off here, and you can close off this 4th bedroom / den there. And so now your guests have all that privacy. So here's that bedroom. So this whole suite closes off, which is great. You've got pocket doors there for privacy. Over here is another bedroom with its own ensuite bath. So those guests can have tons and tons of privacy. This home has really high ceilings. They're 10-foot ceilings with 8-foot doors, so it feels nice and big. That goes out to the garage. And then you've got this really nice open floor plan, super clean, ready to go. Everything's included. For those of you who love to cook, the Maria also has this really nice size walk-in pantry. You can see you've got all these tray ceilings. This home does have the crown molding, and it also has the summer kitchen, both of which are items that Lennar no longer offers. So nice big tray ceiling in here, in the master. So there's his and hers closets, and a nice size master bathroom, complete with a makeup vanity and a linen closet. So we've got direct access to the lanai from the master, or also from out here. So there's that summer kitchen again. Got a nice size covered lanai space. So if you like to stay outside, it's great. And then a pool and a spa, and really nice private backyard back here. All the windows are impact glass, so you don't have to worry about hurricane shutters if the storm comes. And this thing is turnkey and ready to go, practically brand new. So if you have any questions, you want to schedule your personal tour or stop by, I'm here till 4 today. If you have any questions about this or any of the other homes here at Heritage Landing, be sure to give me a call, and don't forget to always ask for Alisa.